Rustic farmhouse design masterfully bridges the gap between historical character and contemporary refinement. This aesthetic prioritizes raw, organic textures, reclaimed timber, weathered stone, and tactile linens to curate spaces defined by warmth and architectural integrity. Through a lens of sophisticated simplicity, it celebrates the intersection of heritage craftsmanship and sleek modern silhouettes, ensuring every room feels anchored, balanced, and visually resonant always. Number 1. Integrate reclaimed timber and industrial accents. This design approach highlights the raw beauty of salvaged architectural elements, merging weathered wood with matte black steel. Hand-hewn ceiling beams provide a rhythmic overhead structure, grounding the airy volume of a double-height living space. Large-scale windows framed in slender iron contrast against the warmth of centuries-old oak floors. The furniture composition utilizes substantial, low-profile silhouettes, upholstered in pebble-toned wool to maintain visual weight. Strategic use of antique brass lighting adds a layer of metallic refinement. This aesthetic balance ensures that the rugged, tactile quality of natural materials feels curated and intentional, resulting in an environment that is both grounded and sophisticated. Number 2. Embrace Scandinavian simplicity and organic textures. Fusing Nordic restraint with farmhouse warmth creates a serene monochromatic sanctuary. This variation focuses on a pale color palette, utilizing bleached woods and creamy lime-wash wall finishes to maximize natural light. Architectural simplicity is key, with clean lines and a lack of ornamental clutter, allowing the texture of boucle fabrics and blonde oak to take center stage. Minimalist blackened steel accents provide necessary visual anchors without overwhelming the ethereal atmosphere. Lighting is soft and diffuse, often featuring sculptural paper or linen pendants. The result is a highly disciplined aesthetic that celebrates the purity of form while maintaining the quintessential comfort of a rural retreat daily. Number 3. Curate elegant, modern European countryside aesthetics. Drawing inspiration from French and English rural estates, this style emphasizes architectural grandeur and refined rusticity. Plaster walls with a subtle sheen pair beautifully with herringbone-patterned reclaimed wood flooring. Oversized arched windows invite the landscape indoors, serving as living art. The furniture arrangement prioritizes formal symmetry, featuring linen upholstered seating with delicate nailhead details and antique-inspired silhouettes. A grand stone hearth anchors the room, framed by bespoke cabinetry in muted sage or dusty blue. Gilded iron chandeliers and traditional oil paintings in ornate frames add a layer of historical luxury. This composition achieves a timeless elegance that feels storied yet undeniably contemporary now for discerning viewers. Number 4. Layer moody tones and rich textures. This variation explores a deeper, more atmospheric side of farmhouse design by incorporating a moody color palette of forest green, charcoal, and deep navy. Dark-stained cabinetry and wood paneling create a cocoon-like effect, contrasted by the gleam of polished copper or unlacquered brass hardware. Heavy velvet drapery and leather-bound books add tactile richness to the space. Lighting is intimate, utilizing focused library lamps and flickering candlelight to highlight specific architectural details. The integration of worn leather armchairs and dark soapstone countertops enhances the lived-in, scholarly character. This bold approach redefines traditional rural aesthetics, offering a sophisticated and dramatic interior experience for all modern refined dwellers. Number 5. Blend coastal lightness with rustic foundations. Coastal farmhouse design synthesizes the airy openness of a seaside cottage with the sturdy materials of a traditional farm. This aesthetic relies on a palette of crisp whites, soft sands, and weathered grays. Driftwood-inspired finishes on furniture and flooring provide a link to the natural environment. Textural elements like jute rugs, woven seagrass seating, and linen upholstery create a relaxed, tactile atmosphere. Architectural details such as white-painted shiplap and exposed rafter ceilings enhance the sense of volume. Large glass doors bridge the interior with the outdoors, while oversized ceramic lamps reflect the abundance of coastal light for a luminous finish that stays beautiful always today. Number 6. Design with bold, high-contrast architectural elements. High-contrast farmhouse design utilizes a stark black and white color scheme to create a graphic, contemporary impact. Whitewashed brick walls serve as a neutral backdrop for matte black steel windows and hardware. The visual tension between light and dark surfaces emphasizes the room's proportions and architectural lines. Dark charcoal cabinetry in the kitchen or built-ins in the living area provides a sophisticated anchor. Furniture features clean, geometric silhouettes in neutral fabrics, accented by black metal frames. This approach strips away traditional rusticity in favor of a sharp, editorial look that remains rooted in farmhouse heritage through the use of natural wood and stone textures today. Number 7. Utilize raw stone and textured plaster. This design variation emphasizes the primordial beauty of stone and the artisanal quality of hand-applied plaster. Thick masonry walls with exposed fieldstone or limestone provide a sense of permanence and rugged texture. These are softened by smooth, hand-troweled plaster finishes in warm, earthy tones. The architectural rhythm is defined by deep windowsills and arched doorways that showcase the thickness of the building's envelope. Flooring consists of large-scale flagstone or terracotta tiles, providing a cool, grounding surface. Minimalist furniture in natural linen and unfinished wood allows the structural materials to speak, creating a monastic yet deeply comfortable and visually rich sanctuary for residents. These rustic farmhouse designs offer a perfect blend of heritage and modernity. I hope these curated ideas inspire your next project. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.